Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair.
All right, guys, and we are back. And that's right, guys, we have some more Harbor Freight savings for you guys today. So today we're going to be taking a look at the coupon deals. While supplies last, started January 20th through February 1st, guys. So before we jump into these deals, as always, we're only going to touch on things that we've had some experience with. Let you guys know our experience, whether it was positive or negative, whether we've heard some good stuff or bad stuff about a certain product, and just touch on things that I think personally is a good deal or that is not a good deal. And if I miss something, as always, guys, I apologize. If you guys want to speak on it, something I missed about, you guys want to give your guys' opinion, whether it's positive or negative, put that in the comment section, please. As well as, if you guys agree or disagree with me, put that in the comment section as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into these Harbor Freight coupon deals. So starting off, we got a generator on sale for $260 off. Not a bad deal there. I don't know how well the Harbor Freight generators are. For the most part, I've heard good things about them. But if somebody would like to chime in, please put that in the comment section below. Next up, we got air tools and compressors. We got some Fortress air compressors. Got some Central pneumatic products. Not much for us there. And I don't know why my page is cut off, but that's what that product is. Going down, moving on to automotive. We have this Pittsburgh 12-volt portable tire inflator with LED light on sale for $12.99. It was $14.99 original price. Not a bad deal. If it works pretty well, that's actually not a bad deal. But I don't have any experience with it. But for the price, for $12, it's worth a try. But if anybody else out there has some experience with it, please let us know in the comment section below. Moving on, here we have a Daytona 1.5 ton ultra low profile lightweight high performance aluminum racing jack with rapid pump. That's a mouthful. Original price is $299.99. It's on sale for $279.99. So we've talked about these in the past. I absolutely love the Daytona jacks. This is I have one similar to it. It is the aluminum racing jack, but it's just a 1.5 ton. It's not an ultra low profile. However, it's really great jacks. You guys know it. I absolutely love the Daytona jacks and highly recommend them. So not a bad deal there for $279. Moving on, we got an Icon aluminum bearing and seal driver set, 16 piece. Original price is $134.99. It's on sale for $99.99. Not a bad deal there as well, guys. We've talked about Daytona products. I absolutely love the Daytona products. Love what Harbor Freight is doing with them. And probably the best thing about the Icon products, although you're paying a little bit more for Icon rather than Maddox, you also get the lifetime warranty on the specialty products. So that's definitely a positive. As well as the case, as you can see here, is made to be able to pull out the pins for the hinges here, and then you could utilize it in this configuration here. I wish, excuse me, guys, I wish that they would have an option to be able to take these latches on and off really easy, so that it would fit more precise in your box rather than having these latches out. But small complaint. Moving on, here we have a Maddox. This is a really nice set right here. This is the Maddox locking lug nut master kit. It's 16 piece. Original price is $99.99. It's on sale for $79.99. This thing, guys, has actually come in handy so many times on different vehicles that have different size lug nuts. I use this thing more than I ever thought I would have actually used. And for $79.99, it is definitely worth the price, guys. So I highly recommend that locking lug nut set. Moving on, this is a new product, kind of interesting. It's a Maddox MR10 2.8-inch screen with OBD2 code reader. I'm actually curious to how these Maddox code readers and the Icon lower end code readers are actually functioning. And if anybody would like to chime in, please put that in the comment section below. Not a bad deal. See, warranty, I bet you it's a 90-day warranty. See what it can kind of do. Here is what it can do. So I'm not going to go through that. You guys could read that on your own. So it does quite a bit of stuff. That's one of those things that you have to compare to something else for $80. It's just something else you would have to consider. There's other products on the market that has exactly what this OBD2 reader has for a lot less, or you could get something that has maybe some specialty resets, stuff like that, for about the same price. So it's all about shopping around and seeing what's the best deal. Anyway, moving on from that, I apologize for the train in the background, guys. We talked about these before. It's the Pittsburgh 2,000-pound low-profile transmission jack. Original price is $379.99. It's on sale for $279.99. These are I had one similar. I have one similar to this. It's different, but the configuration here is exactly like the one I have, and it's a great transmission jack, guys. I highly recommend it. Used it a couple times. Haven't used it extensively. Used it a couple times, and it's really came in handy. One thing that I like is that you could take these like forks off if you want a flat surface, and I like them as well to help kind of grab onto the transmission and hold it on there. Moving on, we got this Icon diagnostic smoke machine. For original price is $569.99. It's on sale right now for $529.99. Sorry about that, guys. I got a little cough that I can't get rid of. Although this is a really nice product and I really like Icon products, I feel like it's a little pricey in my opinion. But that's just my opinion. Let me see if we got what kind of warranty we got on it. Oh, 1 year warranty. So it's better than the 90 days, but 1 year not that bad. Could be better, but it also could be worse, right, guys? So if anybody out there has used this Icon smoke machine, please let us know in the comment section below. Is it worth that price point? Did you like it? What is the pros and the cons? Moving on. Not much else there for us. Going into generators and plumbing. Again, not much for us here, guys. I apologize if I'm skipping over something, but if somebody else out there would like to chime in, let us know your guys' thoughts and opinions. Put that in the comment section, please. Moving on to hand tools, we got some Pittsburgh combination wrenches and double end flare nut wrench set. Lifetime warranties on all this. Got a ball peen hammer set, 5-piece. Original price is $24.99. It's on sale for $19.99, so not a bad deal there. Excuse me. Here we have a half-inch drive, 32 millimeter deep impact socket. It's nice to see that they're finally selling single sockets like this. So I like that, and you do get your, I'm pretty sure you get the lifetime warranty. Yep, lifetime warranty. So not a bad deal there, guys. Moving on to lighting and specialty. Not much for us here. We do have the Storehouse watertight heat shrink butt connector assortment, 30 piece. Original price is $9.99. They're on sale for $7.39, so not a bad deal there. We've talked about those before. It's always good to have a bunch lying around just in case, and they work really good. Another item we've talked about plenty of times before is these Thunderbolt batteries, and just the Harbor Freight batteries in general. I usually use the, and I can't think of it all of a sudden, the blue and black ones. Those usually work pretty well. It's never a bad idea to keep a bunch lying around for emergency purposes, or if you have kids with a lot of little toys that takes batteries, definitely come in handy. Moving on to outdoor. Not much for us here. Moving on to power tools. We got some Bauer power tools, Warrior power tools, some Hercules accessories. Got some more Bauer products. Nothing significant here that I feel is important to talk about. So I apologize, guys. If I missed something, please let me know in the comment section below. Moving on to shop and garage. We've talked about this plenty of times before as well. Here we have the Franklin 600-pound capacity hand truck. Original price is $67.99. It's on sale right now for $54.99. Not a bad deal there. I have one similar to it. It's 1,000-pound capacity, and I have moved refrigerators, safes, washer and dryer, and that thing had really taken a beating and held up. So I'm really impressed with the Franklin hand trucks. Moving on, here's something I've been wanting to get, and I really do excuse me, really would like to get it. It's the Icon 37-inch 400-pound capacity premium creeper. Original price is $89.99. It's on sale for $74.99. Really would like to get this creeper. However, I've got several, and even then I end up not really using them all that much, I should say. But it looks like a really nice creeper. I've seen it in the store, and it really seems like really good quality. Curious to know what you guys think about it. You guys like it? You guys hate it? Actually, even compared to the Pittsburgh ones, what's your guys' thoughts and opinions? I could tell you right off the bat, it looks more comfortable, wider, and more ergonomic for your body than the Pittsburgh one. Curious to see what the warranty is on it. Wow, 90 days. That's kind of surprising. I'm surprised it's got a 90-day warranty on it. I would assume it would have had a little bit heftier warranty. Why do you guys think that is? Put that in the comment section below. Okay, moving on. It's nice to see that they're throwing some different products in there. I don't think I've ever, through all these videos, I don't think I've ever came across laser level. So that's pretty cool that they're incorporating some new items in there instead of the same old stuff. Moving on to storage. Not much for us here. I mean, we've talked about these US General magnetic socket rail twist locks before. Original price is $21.99. They're on sale for $17.99, and they got that lifetime warranty. I used to really like these. I like these for being mobile because you twist them in and they lock. But what I soon found out, and the reason why I got rid of these is because it's really hard. There's no markings on the outside for the sizes. So I would find myself having to look and take time and then put it back because I got the wrong one. So minute, but anyway, moving on. Welding and machinery. We got the Chicago Electric Standard Auto Darkening Welding Helmet on sale for $34.99. Original price is $39.99. This is an okay helmet. I'm just getting into welding, and it's okay. I upgraded to a Vulcan, which is, I believe, similar to this one, and that was way better. And I highly recommend just spending a little extra money to get the Vulcan over the Chicago Electric. Moving on, we've talked about this before. It's the Central Machinery 6-inch swivel vise with anvil. Original price is $79.99. It's on sale right now for $59.99. This thing's pretty great. I've only used it a couple times for some small stuff. I mounted this to my Milwaukee Packout, and it's been amazing. Again, only used it a couple times, but absolutely enjoy it. Moving on, a couple more vices, and that is it, guys. That completes our coupon deals for Harbor Freight from January 20th through February 1st. So you guys got plenty of time to take advantage of these deals while they last. So not bad, guys. Nice. I actually like these coupons. They incorporate a variety of stuff. You got your Icon, some Maddox products, some Daytona products, generators. Incorporates quite a bit. I actually like it, and I like how they threw in some products that I haven't seen. I really didn't even know Harbor Freight had laser levels until now, so that's pretty cool. I think Harbor Freight should start throwing in some more items because you really don't know unless you see it. So, but there you go, guys. Hopefully you guys liked this video. If you guys did, as always, make sure to go down there and hit that like button. Leave me a comment. Let me know that you liked it, and let me know what you guys think about some of these products that I've talked about or that I didn't, and as well as let me know what you guys pick up at Harbor Freight. And with that being said, guys, as always, if you guys like this video, make sure to go down there and hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And until next time,